Hey, what's up, guys? So today we're going to talk about how to format strings. So with Python, if you try to add two things together, if you try to add different things together with different types, it doesn't work. It gives you an error message. For example, let's do print, right? And let's just do two, and then string words. Enter, and see it shows an error message, and it says unsupported operand types for plus int plus string. So just basically you're trying to add two different things that have different types. So what we have is f strings, which is short for formatted strings. They let you add things of different types without an error message. And so let's just do this: print, and then put f, and then we do the curly braces. That's what they're called. Let's do this, and let's just do let's see, words. See? So basically just memorize this. It doesn't make it really any logical sense. It's just something they put together. Uh, it's also on math, of course. But so basically you put F, uh, you know, the quotations, and then a curly braces and what you want inside, and then just the what you want outside, just a word. And so it just uses this. And so basically, like I said, just memorize the order. And here's another example. So let's just say we have words in a words equals 2, right? And then we go down here, and then we print. Let's print. Put F, and then put some curly braces. Words. Words. And so see, it says two words. So if you go right here, so F uh, quotations, and then the words, and if you see up here it says words equals 2. So whatever's in the curly braces, it uses this 2 right here because that's the variable, and then two words, and so that's what you come out with. And we can also do expressions like this. So let's do words equals 4, and then put letters equals 1, and then we come down here and put print. Let's do F again, quotation, and then the curly braces. Let's do words minus letters, and then another curly braces, and then outside of there put words. And so see, it says 3 words. So obviously right here it says words equals 4, letters equals 1, and inside the curly braces it did words minus letters, 3 words. So that's how you do it. So that's a little bit about formatting strings, or I mean, yeah, formatting strings. So there you go. Thanks.